In this guide, I'm going to show you the 3 best ways that you can use to get mod components here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's a few different methods. The first method is going to be crafting them. So if you head up to the top and select your workshop right here, what you're going to want to do is hit this little install button. And within here, you're going to see a refiner. Go ahead and craft this for 60 metal parts and 5 arc power cells. After you do craft it, go ahead and open it up and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, where you're simply going to want to go ahead and find those mod components on there, and you'll be able to craft them using 2 steel springs and 2 mechanical components. Craft as many as you need. This is by far the quickest and most consistent method early on. Now, the next thing that you can do is actually going to be in your inventory. So open up your inventory, and what you're going to want to do is recycle certain items to get mod components, especially weapon attachments. Those tend to be the best things to recycle. But for example, if you see a weapon attachment on here, you can right click on it and then you're going to see a recycle option. Go ahead and select that. Now, I would only really recommend doing this with stuff that you're obviously not using, because when you do that, you will get that mod component back, but you will lose that item. So just keep that in mind. Now, the third method is honestly the hardest, but it is reliable nonetheless. If you open up play, what you're going to want to do is essentially just open up any of these areas, for example, the damn battlegrounds. And if you select inspect, you're going to see these red and yellow highlighted areas. These are going to be medium and high loot value zones. Explore these areas. You're going to have a much higher chance of finding mod components in these sections. Just make sure you're sticking to these hotspots whenever possible. But that is it. That is the 3 easiest ways to get mod components here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.